Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Plus, and today I will show you how to put in SIM card and SD card. So to start off, you will want to shut off the device, because once you pull out the tray, it will try to restart itself anyway. So let's tap power off and wait for it to turn off. And now you can take the device and pull out the tray, like so. I'm gonna set this on the side for now. And I'm going to start with the SIM card, or not the SIM card, the SD card. So as you see it right here, you want to put it this way basically. So you have these pins right here, you want them to be facing the other way. And just put them into the top slot till you feel like a click. Like so. And then you have the tray for SIM cards. So you take the SIM card and it has a tiny little cut on one of the sides, so you have to put it in alongside with the cut here, so it's flush with this. It cannot like stick out or anything. Okay, and once this is in here, I'm gonna take the phone and I'm gonna slide it in there. Preferably not taking out the SIM card like I just did. Okay, just slide it in. Make sure it's flush with the case. Okay, and now power back on the device. As you can see, everything is working. Now, there might be certain cases where one of the SIM cards won't be showing up, and if that's the case, you can go into settings and then network and internet, and it should be dual SIM right here, and you will need to like flip the switch here to make sure that it's on. So it's visible, and that's all it takes. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.